Hi, I'm Jinx, and welcome to Anyland. This is something special I made a while ago from Bloodborne, and now it's going to be in Elder Scrolls Online for the new Arcanist class, the Call of Ebrietas effect. So from my hand here, maybe I can show it from some sides. Maybe right, and I'll do my point of view. If I could get it. So yeah, basically it's I don't know, kind of a wormhole that opens up in my hand and shoots out a bunch of crazy gooey tentacles. Yeah. And I also use it basically as a cleaning laser. So let's say I have a gun and it's out there and I just maybe better in a POV, right? So I grab something and just let it go, and then it just deletes it because all those tentacles are set to liquid on each one of these parts. So, yep, just showing that off. It's really cool. It's really fun. Fits the spooky atmosphere of this particular avatar that I like for Halloween stuff, and when we build Raven's Witch and all sorts of cool stuff like that. Yeah, so have fun. Have a good night.